Cooking with Nathan. Cooking with Nathan. Cooking with.
What are you doing?
Cooking with Victoria. Cooking with Victoria. Cooking with Victoria. Oh!
Cooking with Caleb. Cooking with Caleb. Cooking with Hannah. Cooking with Hannah.
Hunter!
Cooking with.
Cooking with Mariah. Cooking with
Oh,
Mariah.
no!
Cooking with Mariah.
Cooking with Ryan. Cooking with Ryan.
Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
So y'all, today we're gonna be cooking with Kiki. Cooking with Kiki.
Cooking with Olivia. Cooking with Olivia. What?